Hello, hello, hello. It's Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor at the Deeds Group at Point Realty. And I am standing out in front of my listing at 3509 Creekside Court. I adore this neighborhood. So many mature trees. We're in Rustic Woods is the name of the neighborhood, and it certainly feels that way. I'm standing right underneath a magnolia tree, which is one of my favorites. But not just outside is fantastic, so is the inside. So let's go check it out. And it's a lovely staircase, which makes a great entryway, by the way. So I'm in this formal living space, which it's commonly referred to as the formal living space. I love the traditionality of how this is laid out because you can use it so many different ways. You can use it in a traditional fashion. So the room I'm in right now, when this house was built, was probably intended to have a formal sitting area right here and a formal table for a dining space right here. But I love the way my seller has laid this out. They've got a big, giant, probably 85-inch TV on the wall, which is great, but it's so much seating for lots of people, so if you're entertaining. But you also could make it a smaller sitting area, and if you're someone who does host a lot of family meals or a lot of more formal types of dinners, you've got so much room here for a dining room table. And then it just flows right into the kitchen. I love this kitchen. Okay, it's very traditional kitchen. I'm a very traditional girl, but I love the layout of this because you have this island right here, very, very well laid out. The functionality is great. Fridge is closed, stovetop, sink, oven, all the things kind of right here to be able to very effectively cook, bake. The pantry is great. Really good size pantry in here, and also you cannot beat the view while you're cooking because we're looking right out onto the creek. So you've got all this natural light coming in, you've got this beautiful view. I can't imagine standing in a kitchen and having something better to look at. So the kitchen's great, but so is the rest of the house. Okay, so I'm gonna come now into this more casual sort of family room feeling room. And so the flow is just fantastic. So you go from formal to casual to kitchen, and it's one big circle with the bar here, you know, to be able to put food, drink, and all that kind of thing on. So anyway, I just love the flow of this living space, probably because I like to entertain, but I think it's just a really cool layout. This corner window is amazing. It looks out onto the creek, by the way, which I also love, the creek. So much natural light coming into this room, which I love in a bedroom, natural light. And so you've got a great view, you've got lots of good natural light, and I mean, I just like a good window seat, right? This is a great place to sit. I would be like putting a pillow here, leaning my head against this wall and reading a book in the mornings or the evenings or whenever. So this primary bedroom, really, it's a great location inside the house. I love how it's on the back side, looking out. Really, really nice space for the homeowner to kind of have their own little oasis back away from the rest of the house. This bathroom has been recently remodeled. So typically in a house this age, you're gonna get a bathroom that's got a lot of brass fixtures. You've got bathrooms that have not all been touched yet, and I love that this one has. They've chosen some really fun, funky tile. Shower's been completely redone. Jacuzzi tub. I mean, who doesn't want to go to the jacuzzi tub? I love this house. So many things to love about this house, and one of my favorite things is the fact that it has so much space for so many people. So I want you to follow me into this one. This room is ginormous. So we've got this big giant room with an ensuite bathroom connected. So I would go so far as to call this a second master. The only challenge is it is upstairs, but it is a big, large room with an ensuite bathroom that really functions as a second master, assuming you've got someone who doesn't have an issue with the stairs. So come on in here and you see, yes, ensuite, potty is in here, really fantastic extra bedroom. Standing in the game room, third living space, upstairs, funky town, I don't know what you want to call this space. In this house, it appears to be the gym. Fun fact, I was gonna let you get a video of me doing some rowing, but I didn't want to break my seller's machine, so I held off. But I just have to tell you, I love this space, again, because you got the secondary bedrooms are all up here, and this is sort of like a very common space. So no matter who it is that's living up here, what the purpose of the rooms are, this space can have so many different versatile uses. And I am sitting outside of 3509 Creekside Court in Bedford. Okay. I mean, come on. I am sitting under towering trees. I've got this beautiful water fountain making this, I'm just so zen right now sitting out here, guys. The water sound is great with the creek behind me. Fire pit right here. Can you think of anything that would make this backyard better? I can't. I have to tell you that I was just outside in front of a different house about 30 minutes ago and I was sweating. But I am sitting out here under these trees in the shade, and it's like 10 degrees cooler in this backyard than it was where I just was. It is so peaceful out here. Click the link below, whatever platform you're on, call me, text me, send me a DM, however you want to get in touch with me, you do you, but let us know that you want more information, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thanks for watching.